Okay, everybody, welcome. We are playing Ultimate Chicken Horse with Robbie, Lily, Stacy, and Dad.
Hi, guys.
Yep. What? What over there? What?
I'm dying. My back's killing me.
Okay. You die over there.
Good, Robbie.
I swear this thing's on.
Just
Sheepy with the seatbelt.
Yeah. Oh god.
No. Monkey.
Wait, I'm hooking up to another controller.
Put on
Yeah,
the seatbelt.
hold
Put on the
up.
seatbelt.
Are we connected to each other?
Yes, we are.
Are you three?
Yes.
Oh my
I'm four.
lord.
Good.
I'm four. You're my
Press the side, the up and down things that may help, or we have to go back to the home.
Go back to the home screen. Really
Home
quick.
screen.
I'm playing as Sheepy. I have the seatbelt. You always gotta put on the seatbelt, guys.
I'm just gonna be my casual armadillo.
Robbie's playing as an armadillo.
Yeah. Oh, what? Wait, why is my controller doing this?
Metro.
Guys, wait, I can't choose my person. Wait, hold up.
Well, you
I
gotta
haven't
hover
chose in the first
over
place.
the
Hold up,
person
hold up.
today
Hold up.
If you want to change it to something pretty.
Dad,
Yeah, you over there.
I got it. I got it now. Wait.
Bro, you put on a squirrel suit?
Yeah.
I bet you.
Oh, there's
Okay.
something there.
That dog is.
There's something on the bottom.
Hey. Boots.
Food.
Nah, I don't.
Food.
What?
Oh,
Metro, this is gonna go terrible.
Gotta get the question mark, guys.
I hate Metro.
Did we still have one level to unlock, or did we
No,
unlock
I
all
think
of
we
them?
unlocked all
We
of them.
have.
Are you
the-
sure?
The tree says 1919 or something.
Does it? I thought it said we had one more.
No.
I think we had one more when we got the roller
Give me
coaster,
that
we got
wood
Metro.
plate.
Oh, okay. We still have a lot of like character things though.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Guys, you had to wait for the green light to pass.
You could have used that so much better.
No, I couldn't have. I always put
There
the
you
green
go.
lights at the beginning, as it should be. Oh crap! Oh crap!
Dad, we're gonna just die here.
I'm sheepy.
Yep.
Uh,
Go run.
Oh, the goat!
Oh my god.
Hippo's floaty.
Wait, Lily, you're not the Triceratops.
I know. I just had to go back to sheepy with the seatbelt.
Just for the first.
I miss my sheepy. It's just a classic for me. I have to have sheepy.
So now we went for the
Okay.
black hole there.
No, I want the paper airplanes.
I can make those paper airplanes curve if you want.
Yes.
Yeah, it's probably gonna go into the water.
Actually, I think
Hey, squirrel, move!
Oh.
God damn you, squirrel!
You're welcome.
Okay. No, bad sheepy! God!
amazing job there.
I'm
Amazing job.
I'm kind of a
Okay,
geek.
I don't understand how to do this one yet.
It's okay.
Where?
I think that black hole is actually kind of dumb move.
Oh, want? Yeah, me too. There, I'll protect the thing.
That's a perfect barrel that I didn't misplace.
Totally.
No, I placed that exactly where I wanted it.
I'm sure.
I wanted it to just stop everything.
Yeah, I'm sure you did.
No!
Oh, God!
Oh no.
I thought I had another second before I could jump it. Oh. Go, monkey. No, monkey. No, monkey! Oh, God.
Nope.
I like I've just sandwiched you in between the metro and, like, the floor.
This is like brutal.
I know. I can never win the metro one. I'm not good at this
Oh,
one.
what did it
See, you had to go through one green light before, but like...
What? There's two!
What? Oh god.
There's two green lights,
Oh, I'm
guys.
dumb.
That's wood.
Mhm.
Crap.
Is that
Ugh.
Whew.
I put it there, guys. It was kind of smart. No! Bad sheepy! Oh,
No.
God.
No, the
Stupid
train came
sheep.
right as I was about to win.
Good.
Well,
Guys,
Lily,
it's
you
all
have
up-
a shot.
It's all up to the sheepies. Crap.
Oh.
Gotta go, gotta go.
Sheepy, no! Why?
Who was that?
I don't know. Was that you, Dad?
That was Dad.
How dare you?
Amazing.
Sheepy could
play.
have won.
Two.
The amazing prediction.
1-2 combo.
Amazing prediction, man.
I was literally like right there too.
So close yet so bad. That's amazing.
Dude, just jump up, Sheepy. Oh my god. I swear you don't do anything. Maybe it is my Sheepy.
Oh, shit.
Over. No, crap it! God. Damn it.
Woo!
Stupid squirrel.
I honestly didn't think you'd make it.
Hey.
I honestly didn't think she would either. I thought the train was gonna come again and just like.
Nope.
And it's fine, so.
I got it.
It's okay, I'm an underdog.
You're both underdogs.
Yeah.
Ooh, another black hole.
I always get the black holes.
Spike ball. No, I usually do.
See, I love it when there's a moving black hole.
Oh, God.
Sheepy does not love it when there's a moving black hole.
Oh,
Sheepy,
I'm
no.
done. It's fine.
Sheepy, why?
I thought I had another second.
We're phasing in between the wheels.
I thought I had like another second before I had to jump for that.
We were literally phasing between the wheels of the train. Or metro. Would you please stop it?
What?
Every time we are going to record or something, you're like, let me yawn right now, forever.
Yeah.
Stop it!
It's not that bad.
Yes, yes it is.
No, you don't have to
Oh,
say
God.
it.
Then I keep yawning.
Oh, shoot. Someone.
Who put that little spiky bitch there?
Yeah, that's actually pretty smart.
No, no one wasn't. Dude, take me!
Oof.
I just,
Armadillo
Eat it.
be digging.
I don't think we can make it.
you can't.
Yeah, you
can.
can.
Cap. You did that amazing, sir. That was the best jump I've ever seen.
I'm so good.
That was legitness. Fire hydrant!
Bomb.
I hate you.
Don't.
Please stop yawning!
Just
Oh,
don't
guys,
say
I
anything.
think I got a yawn.
I'm saying something because you keep yawning, and so then I yawn.
Dang, who blew up the stairs?
Dude, why'd you blow up the stairs out of all things? Why not something to where we could, like, you know, get through? Hello? Uh-oh. Opening your...
Dad, no.
Go, monkey, go!
Oh, shoot. Me and Dad had the same idea, but
That's a
it's
big
fine.
one right there.
You can definitely get up, but like,
No!
you have to time it correctly.
No, you can't.
Yay, nothing to help us get through.
Dude, I will literally stab you.
Here, guys, I'll stop the train.
Oh wow, that's gonna help so much, Robbie. It's not like there's a
Fight
bunch
me,
of
demon.
other items to
Get
stop the
going.
train right in front of it. Dude,
No.
Don't judge it.
I will judge it, actually.
Did the,
Sheepy!
did the monkey just like
Sheep.
go and die?
Probably, because somebody's a little bitch. Oh crap! There's a black hole! It blended in! I didn't even
So
see
open it up!
it.
No, I'm just gonna die.
Did you even die, or were you just taken on the train?
That was.
I said Stacey open up because I was on one side of the thing.
Oh,
And then
what?
I barely died to the train, but then she did open it up, and I went, whee!
Yep.
HUD noise.
It's fine.
Can you blow up this stupid thing, please? So we can actually get through? Oh my god.
Just don't say anything. I didn't look.
Dude? It's not about saying. Why do you just keep saying don't say anything?
Cause it's fine.
Stop yawning!
Ah! I'm trying. Oh,
Oh, wow.
oh,
Go, sheepy.
oh.
Go, sheepy. Sheepy! No, sheepy!
Dad made it.
Why'd you just stay there?
I moved.
And underdog.
Sure, you move.
By the time I saw that I was still standing in the air, it was too late for Sheepy.
It's fine. Dad's winning.
Oh
No, I'm winning.
my God! I'm not even tired. You just keep yawning. And so I'm over here yawning right next to you.
Oh. Hi guys.
I hate you.
Dad's
Hey,
saying
Sheepy needs help.
Fuck.
Dad took photos.
Yay, plus one.
What? You purposely tried to do that, didn't you?
I mean, I kind of couldn't see the spikes because Lily was on one side, I'm on the other side. I couldn't see the
Are
spikes.
you blaming me right now?
Yeah.
I did it! Sheepy did it!
I guess spikes.
God.
Trap point.
You're
Yep.
my underdog. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm still beating you.
Alright, guys.
That helps me
Last
so
turn.
much.
That Robbie's gonna
no
win.
idea.
So.
What's sticky?
Okay.
I have an idea. So,
What am I gonna spin? This. Play something. Oh my God, Stacy.
it has taken
Place
13
it.
years. It's going to take her 13 years, and then she's going to place it in a bad spot.
Exactly. What do you mean, shh? Dad?
Libby. Oh my God.
Hey Lily, what is going on here?
Not really.
They both died before they got to die to me.
I know.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh God!
Robbie.
Damn you! You idiot! Look, you're getting ran over by wheels. So
I don't care. I
kill
win.
yourself.
Oh wait, except for me, I'm actually on the platform.
You know what's just
Armadillo.
Hey.
What?
Oh.
Oh, there I am.
Bro, you're not standing on anything.
What do you mean?
We don't question it.
You're standing
At
on
least we got
anything.
the
That's-
question mark.
I'm standing on a lot of things.
I'm gonna say this.
Talking, so.
Well, if you don't say that we're talking about this and say the words "edit that out," then it's fine.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
He's being a little
It's,
bitch.
it's fine.
I'm
I
just
didn't even
running.
say anything about that. It's fine.
I'm going to my favorite map.
I
Oh my
have
God,
bedtime.
Stacey.
What? So do
Yeah,
I.
So
Nobody cares you 4-year-old.
I know.
Dang it.
Jungle Temple!
But, hey.
Why do we always get this one off random?
Because Jungle Temple's the best.
It is good.
Gotta love the Jungle Temple. Oh man. I got a block.
I got
And I
honey.
shall ice that block.
Why?
Cause
I got honey.
Why?
to make it harder, I guess.
Why?
We can't even like get over it.
Just for the sake of it.
Let's go, Paper Airplane. You can do it.
Wee.
For anybody wanting to know, Dad has the minus controller, and so that is all of the photos.
It's not my photos.
It is your photos.
Yep. How did we survive?
Because he like sits under the thing.
What thing under?
What thing
You jump
under?
back up on top of the chin of the monster, and then you ride the airplanes to success.
He dies.
He's just stupid. He always goes for the stupid coin.
That's
Hey,
why
it's-
there's always
it's
a
a
bunch of traps
strategy.
over there.
I have a good old strategy.
There's the
for
trap.
It's not even a strategy. You're just grabbing the coin.
You don't know how to use it.
Hey, you
I don't
are
even
grabbing
know
the
how
coin,
you
though.
Pick it up.
Me?
Dude.
Yeah.
See, but here's
Right
the
here,
thing.
Dad.
What if just
I
hear
know
me
how
out
to
here?
use
We
it.
have arrows.
Hear me out.
I know how to
Look
use
at
it.
Bam.
Oh, I have to like make sure I line this up correctly for this.
Dude, what?
There has to be one higher.
You can't use the line
Has
that's
to be-
on the board.
I can't see from over
Literally
here.
not.
I'm at an angle from
Oh, I
TV.
died.
God damn it, you stupid airplanes.
Who did that to the?
That was me. You're welcome.
Get it.
I'm trying.
Damn it.
Oh, I see what you talking about, you guys, when you sit up there.
Yeah,
Oh.
I did that to your little Goldie Balloon because it's funny. Go, little monkey, go.
Oh.
Damn. You're dead, sir.
Oh.
Wah, wah.
Why'd you do that? That was no fun.
You.
What do you mean? You're the one that put arrows on my paper airplanes.
Just jump.
True.
That was my.
Why didn't you just jump then?
Hey,
Cause I
infinite
couldn't
rockets.
jump.
Well, just
Guys.
jump around my fan.
Guys, infinite
Just-
rockets.
Like, dude,
Infinite rockets. Infinite rockets. Infinite.
you're gonna put it in the stupid spot, aren't you?
Infinite rockets.
That's a little stupid, my guy. Do it. I'll make it out. Fight me.
We.
Oh, I barely made it on that. Let's go.
Come on, airplanes. Go, airplanes. Yes, airplanes. Good.
I don't even get
Crap.
that. I mean, I kind of.
Bad airplanes! No.
Yay, Dad.
I kind of wish
God
infinite rockets.
Damn
were there.
it.
Oh.
Are you stupid?
I was trying to like sit down there.
Can't.
Are you
We made it.
I didn't. Sheepy got hit by an arrow for the stupid monkey back there.
Wait. I have
You
an
know how it
idea.
happens, you know.
I have smart.
What?
I have smart.
Whoa, that is the biggest brain myth idea I've ever seen in my life.
I don't think this is gonna be smart.
No.
That's probably the dumbest idea ever, but who cares?
I wonder if you could get stuck in the middle of it. How long does it take you to figure out to place that block?
Look, I want to think it out.
It was thunk out for like
God damn
10
it.
seconds.
What if I
Forgot about the fan.
I'm like watching Dad or Robbie too much. I'm trying to see if his brilliant plan works.
My flamethrower. What is with the fans?
I want him to get stuck in the middle. Dude, you didn't even do anything.
You can't side hop, jump off the wall. Whatever Mario does. You can't do that.
Yeah, you can.
You can? Oh, wait.
You,
Stupid.
you can't.
Hey,
I
I
can't
don't do it
correctly.
really often, okay?
Clearly.
It's very hard to do if you do it.
Mo paper airplane.
Oh my god.
Dude, what are you doing right now?
Oh, I wish I could place that.
Block it
You
off.
literally can't. You did that for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
What if I put that there?
That.
Okay, I mean, that's not really gonna help you more.
Yeah, good luck. Place it.
Dude, if you're gonna place it, place it.
Place it, place it, place it, place it. We dare you.
Oh my god.
Oh, so close.
People give me too much anxiety.
We're gonna try it.
Whee!
Oh, shit.
Oops, hi, Dad. We had the same idea. Squatting.
Sheepy did it.
I did it!
Did you?
I got-
Alright, Robbie's going around.
Aren't you dead? I can do it. No, Sheepy.
The squirrel did
Just
it,
wait.
so this is obviously too easy.
Oh yeah.
Hey!
It was.
What do you
actually
mean?
pretty easy.
I'm kind of.
If
What I
Sheepy
mean
makes it, it's
is
too
if
easy.
you can do it, it's way too easy.
You can do it. You can do it. Put a little power to it.
There you go, Zoe. You're
You're
doing
welcome.
great.
I know.
Yeah,
What is that arrow for? It's just gonna hit the thing.
Look, that's-
Maybe one will get through. Yeah. Go, Sheepy. Oh my gosh, Sheepy,
Hi,
no.
Dad.
Sheepy, why? Why you do this to me, little sheepies? Where am I? Oh. I saw Gray moving and I'm like, I didn't do anything. It's me.
Shit.
Oh!
What to-
That's so close.
God dang it.
Gotta love the arrows.
God,
You're doing great, Robbie.
I'm scared.
I was looking at
You should
everybody
be.
else.
No! There's no way with the flamethrower and the arrows to time that.
No, you can do
You're
it.
welcome.
No.
You just need to not
What?
suck.
What are those
No,
arrows?
that's just
for?
rude.
Yeah, well,
I don't suck.
What are those arrows for? Loses because of arrows.
I extra suck. I'm not average.
Don't worry, guys. It's not there.
Go, Sheepy. Jump off, Sheepy. Sheepy, why? Why do you hit the blade, Sheepy? You're so stupid, Sheepy.
Okay.
who did that to my chainsaw?
Where's your chainsaw? I didn't do it.
I got it. Yay!
Look how easy that is, Robbie.
Yay!
So easy.
I got 7.
Stacey, are you stupid?
Dang. Hey, what do you mean?
The flame was literally out and you jumped.
I thought it would be done by then. I don't know.
What?
Get
It
right
just
next to the flame box
What?
and just do it.
I'm taking the bomb. I'm I'm gonna blow up this. No, I actually want to blow up this because I keep dying to the blade.
Yeah, I'm gonna start spinning that.
It's annoying me. That's not gonna spin. It's just gonna move left and right.
Yeah, I know. I'm spinning that.
Okay.
Thank God.
Opening your. Wee.
Oh, what the?
Go sheepy, go sheepy. Hey, armadillo.
I forgot that can kill you.
Did you not keep digging little holes in your backyard? God damn it. Everything's not timed right.
Oh!
I don't like it.
Lily, what did you
Crap!
do?
I don't like it.
I'm in the
Stuck me
lead.
up top of the spike wall. Yes.
Woo!
I want it to go right here.
Safety net.
Boop. That's gonna do so
What
much.
the hell is that?
You can break it.
Break what?
Fight me, Dad.
What can you break the
Takes the whole paper airplanes out.
No, it doesn't. You can break it. Dude.
Oh, this is thingy there.
No, Sheepy.
Oh,
Sheepy,
what
why?
happened?
Sheepy, why do you do this to me?
Oh!
Oh!
I love arrows.
Where did you die, Ryan?
Why did it hit me backwards? Like
I
I
died to
should
your
have gone
thing.
forward. My
What?
momentum.
I did your thing.
What thing?
Your
Stairs.
I came in like a
Your
wrecking
chainsaw.
ball. What? Like Katy Perry. Who else can we get to sue us?
That was almost on my body of the spikes.
What can I say? I love Katy Perry.
It's not Katy Perry, bro.
I love Katy Perry.
What the fudge?
Just actually swear, Dad, please.
No, we say fudge in this family, Stacy.
I highly doubt that. That is not. I
Unlike
mean,
your-
I get this is a family-friendly thing.
It
we're
ain't
doing.
no way family friendly.
No,
Why are you guys so stupid?
almost, but
Yeah.
Say fudge.
I will. I'm like, I don't even. It's like, what do you?
Dude!
Every
Why?
My flamethrower.
What the hell, man?
I love it. What? Look, whoever put the arrows there mainly doomed it more than my flamethrower.
That was Robbie. Both times.
Really?
Yes. Come on, monkey.
Both in my mind. Here, guys, I'll save us.
True. Yes. Yes.
I'll do
Do
that,
it. And
I'll do it, Stacey. You'll place that somewhere else.
right here.
Dude, then that's gonna be too easy.
No, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not worth it.
Yes, yeah, you place it then, Stacey.
Hold on.
Right.
Oh my God, I wasn't gonna place it there.
Yeah, you were.
No,
Yeah.
I was gonna place it there because I wanted it to survive. I knew Stacey's gonna place it there, so to trick her
Alright.
little.
Who put this little wood piece there?
I'm
Stacey.
fine. No,
That
not
is
me.
Rude.
Not me. Yep, I knew
Dad,
it.
how dare you? I trusted you.
Dad just partying over here.
I did it.
Ooh, wrecking
Go.
ball.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, wrecking ball.
Oh, what? I didn't jump that much.
Obviously you did.
Yeah, it's fine.
One more turn.
I'm gonna win this
Is there?
all right here.
Is there one more
Yes,
turn?
you are.
Oh.
Wah, wah. Why is it all bombs? What the heck?
Because it says too much.
You know what? I'm just gonna blow up a whole chunk of this and see what happens.
Hey Lily, can you
Do it. In the middle. Do it in the middle here.
No, it gets this chunk.
Yes, Dad, do it. Yeah, Dad.
It's just that chunk. That's all I wanted.
Stacy's gonna look at that. Sad.
What? Stacy?
Just to win.
No.
What the freak?
If you do that, then
None of them.
What the freak, Stacy?
that's gonna make it actually hard.
Yeah,
There
Stacy.
you go.
What the heck is that for? Why am I spawning right
Y'all
next to the
didn't
spikes?
want the arrows to get blocked. I'm like, geez, okay.
It makes it less fun.
Yay!
Good last round, Robbie. Oh crap!
Good match round, Lily.
You know what? At least I died trying, not by hitting the propeller.
Propeller.
That got squashed. And Stacy's just gonna be a squirrel.
Stacy's just gonna like analyze it, and then she's just gonna like
Completely die.
I thought that was a spike.
So did I.
Away with
You
those
died.
chainsaws.
Alright! Stop! I'm really...
Oh, the arrow killed me.
Love.
Stacy wins overall.
Yeah!
Only
Congratulations.
No.
You were the ultimate squirrel, sadly.
Way to go,
Woo!
Stacy. All because you put that block straight like that. If you didn't, we all would have lived.
Really? Is that really true?
Yes.
I highly doubt that, but...
For my life, I will always want